Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics chapter 3 pair of linear equations 2 variables. This is lecture number 5. We are in the topic that graphical method to solve the pair of linear equations. The pair of linear equations we have to solve by graphical method that we are doing. And example 4 and 5 last lecture we have seen. Here the same method we will do in two more questions. One of the example 6 we will do by graphical method, and exercise 3.2 question number 7 also I have solved to show that how to get the solution of the pair of equation in by graphical method. So here first we start with example 6. It is in the question as Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, means how many of pants she bought, how many of skirts she bought, when the friends asked, she answered, the number of skirts is too less than twice the number of pants. What she told the first statement? The number of skirts is too less than the twice of the number of pants. And the second statement she told, also the number of skirts is 4 less than the 4 times of the number of pants. These were two statements Champa answered. Help her friends to find out how many pants and skirts Champa bought. So in solution, let the number of pants she bought as x and number of skirts she bought as y. Now, with the help of the statements she answered, we will make the equation. Number of skirts we have considered as y is 2 less than the twice of number of pants. Pants is x, number of pants x. So first equation by this first statement will be number of skirts means y is 2 less means minus 2, then twice the number of pants. 2 less from which we have to do twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants means x. Twice of x means 2x. This number of skirts is 2 less than twice of number of skirts. This way. Number of skirts is equal to 2 less than the twice of number of pants as given in the first statement. From second statement, similar way we will go. Here again the number of skirts means y is 4 less means minus 4 you have to do, from which 4 times of the number of pants means 4 times of x from that. So number of skirts is y equals to, it is 4 less from which 4 times of the number of pants. 4 times of number of pants means x, means 4x minus 4. So this way, by the statement, we are making the equation. In practical problem, this way we have to understand, and from the given problem, we have to convert them in mathematical equations, and that equation is here linear equations. Two equations are there, so pair of linear equations we got. Now, as simple as we do to draw the graph. To get the number of pants and skirts, by graphical method we want to go. So we need two solutions of each of the equations. So here you can take any value of x, like for x equals to, if I take 0, y equals to 2 into 0 minus 2 equal to 2 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. For one more value of x, for suppose x equals to 1, y equals to, in this x equals to 1 you place 2 ones are 2 minus 2 is 0. So two pairs of x and y values are x0 y minus 2 and x1 y0. This way two solutions of this equation we got. Similarly, two solutions of this equation also you can get. Here for x equals to 0, what will be y equals to 4 into 0 minus 4. 0 into anything 0 minus 4 will be as it is, and for x equals to 1, y equals to 4 into 1 minus 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 4 is 0. So at x equals to 0, y is minus 4. At x equals to 1, y is 0. This way, two solutions of this equation also we get. Now using the two solutions, we will draw the graph of each of the equation. To get the equation, this is the equation we have. To get the graph of it, we will take the two pairs of solutions. These are here x0, y minus 2. Place here. x0 is this point and y is minus 2, this point. So this point is x0, y minus 2. And next point is 1, 0, x1, y0. x1 here and y0 means no height. So this is the another point, next point of the first equation. So what we do to draw the graph? Just join the line passing through these 2 points. It will represent the graph of the first equation. So this way we will get the graph. This line represents, this graph represents the equation y equal to 2x minus 2. This line represents. So we have graphically represented this line, this equation. Now turn comes to this line represent as a graph. So in this x0, y minus 4. x0 is here only, y is minus 4 on y-axis. This point will be 0 minus 4, and this next point is 1, 0, 1 on x, 0 on y means this point only. Now join these 2 points, 0, 4 and this way. This represents the another equation, that is y equals to 4x minus 4. This point is common in both, that is 1, 0. This point is this point 0 minus 2 it is, that is joining this first line we got, and this point is 0 minus 4 and 1, 0. Joining is the another line we got. You can see both the lines. This line is for y equal to 2x minus 2 by both the coordinates, and this line is by these 2 coordinates we got. Both the lines intersecting at the common point 1, 0. And in graphical method, you know that where the 2 lines intersect each other, that point becomes the solution of the given equation. So our solution is 1, 0. The solution is 1, 0, the common point. Therefore, solution is x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. Because the 1, 0 is the common point of both the equations, both the lines are intersecting at this point. So intersection of points of 2 lines will give us the solution. In that solution, 1, 0 represents x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. So what will be our final answer? The number of pants Champa got x, and that is equals to 1, means 1 pant she bought. And number of skirts, that is y equals to 0, means no skirt she bought. Means Champa bought only 1 pant and she did not buy a skirt. So this way, by graphical method, very easily we can find the solution, and by the solution we can use the answer of the practical question. Once again, remember that 2 lines where they intersect, that will be the solution of the given 2 equation. 1, 0 here. Now in exercise 3.2, question, total 7 questions you have. So in homework you will solve exercise 3.2, question 1 to 6 you will do in your homework your own way. It's so easy like this only. Only the question number 7 that is somewhat different, it is given, so I am doing here. So draw the graph of the equation in the question number 7. It is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus y equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shape the triangular region. So in solution, here the given equations are, given equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus y equal to 0. So from this side only, if you think, it is minus y, if I take on right side it will be plus y. So on the left side only x and plus 1 will be remaining. So y equal to x plus 1 we can make. We have represented y in terms of x this way. Now as usual we do, for the two different values of x we will find the corresponding value of y. For x equal to 0, if you place here, you can place any value of x again I will take. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any value you can take. So x equal to 0 if I take, in this you place. So that implies y equals to x is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x equals to 1, if you place, implies y equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. So for x equals to 1, corresponding value of y is equal to 2. So this way the two solutions of this equation x and y are x0, that time y is 1, x1, that time y is 2. Similarly this side, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 can be written as 2y equals to minus 12 is on that right side plus 12 plus 3x on the right side is minus 3x. Therefore y equals to this two multiplied part will go down to this whole part, that will be 12 minus 3x upon 2. Now here also for the different two values of x we will find the values of y. If I take x equal to 0 in this, so that implies y equal to 12 minus 3 into 0 upon 2. 3 into 0 is 0. 12 minus 0 is 12. 12 upon 2. 12 upon 2 will give 6. For x equal to 2 if I place, y equal to 12 minus 3 into 2 upon 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 12 minus 6 will be 6. 6 upon 2 will give 3. So the table of x and y, two solutions of x and y are, when x is 0, y is 6. When x is 2, y is 3. So 0, 6 and 2, 3. Now to draw the graph, we have x-axis and y-y-axis with all signs given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on right and minus 1, minus 2 is usual notations. I will place the given solution. For this equation, if I want to draw the line, I have to join this x0, y1. x0 is here only, y1 is this point. This point is 0, 1. This is 0, 1 point. The first point I have shown. Next point x1, y2. x1, y2. So x1 and y2 will be here. The scale if I do, it will be perfectly. In graph book, no problem will be there because the lines will be printed. This point shows one, two. If I join these 2 points, I will get the graph of this equation. So I will do that. Right? This line represents this equation y equal to x plus 1 or x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So at any corner here I will write that this line represents x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. To get the line of this equation, this way we have to follow x0, y6, x0, y6 is this point. This is 0, 6 point you say. Next point is 2, 3, so 2 and 3. Carefully you have to draw. You will have in your graph book the points, the lines, so no problem will be there. 2, 3. this line comes. This point comes 2, 3. So join these 2 points now, 0, 6 and 2, 3. You will get the another line of the next equation. Passing through 0, 6 and this is 2, 3. For this line, this point was 1, 2. So that also you will show here. It is 1, 2, 1. This way, both the lines graph we have drawn. For this x minus y plus 1, this line representing, and for this line 3x plus 2y minus y equal to 0 is this line. For this line also I will write the equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now you can see what is that? The vertex of the triangle formed by these lines intersecting this way and x-axis is this. So total 3 lines we have, 2 lines given and 1 x-axis. All 3 are intersecting somewhere like this point and this point. Name there. If I say this as intersection of the given 2 lines A and this line and x-axis as B, this line and x-axis at C. So we have to tell or we have to show the vertices are A, B, C. Their coordinates we have to coordinates of the vertices we have to write. So this A coordinate we know 2, 3. What is B? You read it. B point represents on x-axis is, so y coordinate is 0 and x is minus 1, so it is minus 1, 0. C also on x-axis, so y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 4, so it is 4, 0. So coordinates of vertices of triangle ABC are A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0 and C 4, 0. So here the final answer you can write vertices of triangle ABC are A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0 and C 4, 0. This way finally we can write the coordinates of the triangle formed by the 2 lines and x-axis. And then we have to shade the region, triangular region, shade it. So shading can be done by, in art you know what to do, shading, how to do. You can draw this way, shading region of triangle region. You can shade this way. This way, the triangular region is shaded. So you can understand the work is more, but the not complicated work it is. It is so simple. If you draw carefully, you will get all the points this way completely. You can see it and you can express it. So all the vertices we have seen how they are representing the triangle with their coordinates. So this way, it's question 7 also we have done, example 6 also done. Now in exercise 3.2, remaining questions 1 to 6, all the 6 questions. In that you will find that all the type of examples that we have done, graphical method of the solution of the pair of equation, that we will see that you will have to do in your homework and complete the work up to exercise 3.2. Thank you.